Hello everyone and welcome to Getting Started with Revit. Today we're going to be reviewing how to start our architectural floor plan. So first we need to go and find the template that we're going to use. We're going to use the residential template. So to find that, we're going to select New under the projects. See if it's listed here. It is not listed there, so I'm going to browse. I'm going to select templates, US Imperial. That means the floor plan will be drawn in feet and inches. And I'm going to find the residential, select it, and select open. And creating a new project, make sure that one's selected and hit OK. So I've sent you step-by-step instructions how to begin a drawing. So we're going to follow those instructions on this video. But first of all, I want to make sure that you have the proper menus docked on your screen, because these are the two that we're going to be using all the time. So to find them, so I'm going to close my properties one and we're going to go and find that back. So they're both found in the same place. So you go to View, up at the very top here, View, and then it's under User Interface, and that's a drop-down menu. So you're going to go to the drop-down menu. The one on the left is a project browser, so that one's already selected, and now we're going to select the properties. Alright, so, and it will normally come in floating. So if you haven't had it before, it'll be like that. So there's two places where you can put it. You can select and put it under this one. I'm using my laptop right now and my screen isn't very big, so I'm going to dock it in on the right-hand side. Oh, and see how it flashes blue like that, and then I just let go. So I click, drag it over, and when that blue square pops up, then I let go and it will be docked into my screen. So if you accidentally close any one of these, X out of them, that's where you can find these back. So to make sure that we are in the proper units, in the proper template, we're first going to look for the scale. So in this one, the scale, there's two places we can find it. The scale is over here on the right hand side under our properties menu, and it is 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. The other place you can find it is down here. So that's the scale of our drawing. Okay, so now I want to open up the document that gives us step-by-step instructions, and we're going to start reviewing that. So the first part is New, and then finding your template. We've already done that. I've already walked you through that. So now we're going to start right here. So select US Residential and click OK. In the project browser, go to First Floor, click Wall Architectural in the options bar, change Unconnected to 8 feet or 9 feet. So 8 feet or 9 feet, this is the floor, the main floor to ceiling height. For me, I'm going to select 9 feet because I do like a taller ceiling. It just makes the house feel a little bit bigger. So let's go over to Revit, and we're going to do just that. We're going to select the first floor, make sure that's highlighted. Now we're on the first floor. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the architecture and then wall. All right, and now this little menu bar pops up when you do that. So we're going to make sure this is unconnected, and then it drops in a 20 foot. So I don't want a 20-foot ceiling. What I decided I want is a 9-foot ceiling. So I'm gonna just backspace with my keyboard, 9, and that's exactly what I want. Let's see what our step-by-step instructions tell us to do next. Okay, so the exterior walls will be brick on wood stud. So let's go and make sure that that's what we're using. Go into Revit. So in the properties, the basic wall generic 6-inch is selected, but we want to have an exterior wall that is brick and wood stud. So exterior brick on wood stud, we're going to select that. Okay, so now that is the type of wall that we're going to be drawing with. So now I have my floor plan right in front of me, and I know the dimensions I need to draw. So it's my rough sketch of my bungalow floor plan. So I know to start off with, I need a wall. My back wall is going to be 45 feet wide. So I'm just going to select any random area within these squares. Those are your elevation views. So I'll start right there. And it's the back, so I'm going to go along here. And it's jumping kind of a couple feet at a time. But I know that I need it to be 45 feet. So I'm going to type in 45 feet. And there we go. 45 feet down. Now I need to draw down 35 feet, because that's what it says on my floor plan. So 35 feet. Enter. Excellent. So my floor plan, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here. And now I have a wall that is 11.5 feet, which is also 11 feet 6 inches. So 6 is half of a foot, so I put 11.5 feet. Excellent, that looks exactly like my floor plan. And now I'm going to go this way, back in for 8 feet. 8 feet. Right on, and then I'm going to go this way for 22 feet. Excellent. And back down, because I have both sides that are looking the same. 8 feet. Okay, well, it just jumped to that, so I'm just going to select. And then for here, it's 11'6", but do you see that these lines pop up already? And that's exactly where I want it to go. And to close it. And then I'm going to hit the enter button. Excellent.